I shall end you, child. Because that looks better. See? Now the bells are right there, right below it. And then what do you want to put on it? Now you're going to decorate it. And then you can help Grandpa decorate his mantle on this tree. I need that corner of your bedroom to put that one piece in. When you go to wave somebody, you shouldn't push the finish button by mistake.
What?
Daddy did a boo-boo. Because I'm cool like that.
You're cool.
That's right.
No, you're not.
You were not nice. Oh, here we go. What's that look like? What's that do? Ooh, triple tear.
I'm not nice either.
What?
I'm not nice either.
I don't really care about football crap. Ooh, I like this one though.
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do.
Alright. How come?
It sucks.
What do you mean it sucks?
It's annoying.
How's it annoying?
It's like really annoying.
Why? What? I found your face. Hello. Gracie, look at me. I'm trying some of these photo things. Let me see. I got new ones now. Look at me. I gotta look at your face. Turn your face over here. Look at me. Ready? One. Let's see if it works. I won't find your face. There we go. No, that's not one. They got new ones now.
Oh, I'm happy for them.
They've got one that says ID Shield. When did they get that? I'm liking it. Because
Let me guess, I'm liking it.
they got doves. This is funny. Open your mouth. No, look at me. Look, open your mouth. You gotta open your mouth. I gave you a Charlie Chaplin hat. And a cane. That's funny. I like it.
How'd you go from, that's funny, I like it.
Because it's me. You forgetting who your daddy is.
I want to pick out a new ornament this year, too.
Okay. Will you get me a Marine Corps ornament? Marine ornament. I don't have any Marine Corps ornaments. Where? What do you mean? I don't remember.
Oh, well.
Open your mouth. No, you gotta look at me and open your mouth. You go so fast. I made you into it. What's this one? Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at you. Oh, put you in a frame. Okay, let's see here. Nope, that's wrong. Baby shark, the sharks. Still don't like that song, huh?
No.
Those kids still listen to it all the time.
Yes.
Ah!
Wait, turn off the lights.
I can't reach it.
Okay.
I can't reach it. Fine, turn off the lights.
Never mind, turn it back on.
Why do I do all this work? You're killing me, Smalls. You're killing me. Oh, what's this one? That one looks fun. Oh, that was really cool. It's like a lava lamp. Actually, oh, that's like sparkly stuff. That's pretty neat. That's different. It's like outlining only you. That's actually pretty neat. I'm weird. So you're gonna say, let's see, we're at Baldwin. Are you gonna save me a front row seat?
You can't sit in the front row
Why?
because they don't let you.
I want to. I'll sit on the concrete in the front row.
Okay.
You're so mean. I wonder if we'll be able to do that. Yay! Okay, so we can do it again. I'm a wheel watcher. Gracie, you're a wheel watcher. Are you cool like that? There you go. This is neat. I'm trying to take a couple pictures so you can take a look at them. This is like showing your body heat. Let me see, what's this one? Okay, what's that? Let's see. Pumpkins. What's up with the Wheel of Fortune stuff on here all of a sudden? Okay. Open your mouth. Let's see what it does. Oh, it gives you like your hair is like lights. If you do it, I take your picture. And I'm going to show it to you what you look like. I love Wheel. What is up with all the Wheel of Fortune stuff? I've never heard of Blitz before. Bejeweled Blitz. Been a long time since I played Bejeweled. I don't play too many games. Okay, what are we doing now?
Yeah, that's where you're less fun.
What?
Nothing.
On my phone, nerd. I meant I don't play the games on my phone.
Yeah, you don't play football either.
Am I supposed to?
Yeah.
Really?
To get your exercise.
When have you ever known me to ever play football?
You said you'd rather watch the game than play it.
No, vice versa. Come on. I'd rather play the game than watch it. I'm not big on watching it. Oh, I found the new birthday one. Big old cake. These are all brand new. I like new stuff. Until I don't. My buddy's daughter in the army. He's in the Marines, and did I tell you she lives in Fort Leonard Wood now?
Because it's like
Cold. Zach Brown Band. Join the pack. Nah, you're not a 49ers fan, but that's Santa Claus. Santa Claus. You unplugged your TV or the other light. I can get you a power. Hey, Gracie, walk towards your door. Come here, look.
I know, I can see it from there.
Oh. That's pretty neat.
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do.
Yeah, boy.
Baby shark. Honey shark is my passion.
Alright, I'm done with all this. Alright, regular now, people. Alright. Don't go bye-bye, everybody. What?